Welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Guys, in today's video, we will be making some brown butter banana muffins. And if you want to see how we do this recipe, keep watching. So guys, to brown your butter, all you need to do is to your pan, you're going to add 1 stick of butter and you're going to allow that to melt on medium to low heat. You want to keep on stirring this so that the butter doesn't burn, and you want to make sure that it's melting. Now after a few minutes, you will see your butter starting to change color. You want the butter to be nice and brown, not burn or black. So you have to pay close attention to it to make sure that it's not getting extremely brown. Now if you use a non-stick pan for this, it's going to be very hard for you to see when the butter is starting to brown up. So my advice to you is to use a stainless steel pot. It's so much more easier to see when the butter is getting brown. As you can see, the bottom there is getting nice and brown. This is only going to take like a few seconds more here, 15 to 20 seconds here. And I'm going to turn my stove off right away. And we want to stir. We also want to move the pan away from the heat. Now that it's nice and brown, we're going to place this on the side and we're going to allow it to cool down until we are ready for it. You want to make sure that it's nice and cool before you add it to your mixture or any batter. So guys, now that my butter is nice and cool, we're going to add this to my bowl here and we're going to go in with some brown sugar. Just remember all the measurements and the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. And here we're going to go in with some essence. Here I have some molasses, and this is the brand of molasses that I'm using. Just in case you want to buy one, you can get this off of Amazon. And we want to mix this to make sure that it's combined here. Now that that's combined, we're going to go in with our banana, our puree banana, and you want to go in with your egg as well. And we're going to mix this again here and combine. And to that, I will go in with some buttermilk as well here. Now for my dry ingredients, I have here some nutmeg, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and some cinnamon powder. You're going to go in with everything here. Mix again, combine. Now we're going to add in half of the flour that we have. Just mix that and combine before you add in the other set. I'm just going to go in with everything now. Now you're going to mix this for a few minutes just to make sure that there's no clumps of flour left. You want to make sure that they're combined well. Now my last ingredients I'm going to put in here is optional. You can use chocolate chip, you can use some walnuts, you can use some cashew nuts, whatever. The choices are endless that you can use to go in here. I prefer to go in with some chocolate chips because everything tastes better with chocolate chip according to Chloe. So we're just gonna mix this in and allow them to distribute evenly within the batter, and we're done here. So I'm gonna go get my baking pan and I'll be right back. So now to my pan, I have some cupcake liner here. I'm gonna place these in the bake pan and I'm just gonna spray some cooking spray here. Now I'm gonna go in with a brush and just try to spread it evenly on the bottom. Now I have a 1/4 cup measurement here, so I'm gonna go in here 1/4 cup each. So I'm gonna continue filling these and I'll be right back. So now that I done fill my cupcake, I'm gonna go in with some dry raisins. Just place them nicely on top here. It's just for garnish. Like, if you choose to do this, you can. It's totally optional. You don't have to. I just like to do it because of presentation purpose and it looks pretty. And I also have here some pumpkin seeds. You can just place a few right on the top, and you can replace these toppings here, guys, with anything else you have in your pantry. Now at this time, my oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake these for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until you insert a skewer and it comes out clean, you know they're done. So I am going to go place these in the oven and I'll be back in about 18 to 20 minutes. So guys, here's my muffin. They took 20 minutes to bake exact. They are all done now. Now we're going to allow these to cool down before Chloe tries it. and she will tell you guys how good it is.
I'm gonna try it. Okay, so today I'm gonna taste the muffin. Yummy. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.